Welcome back. I know that I just was on here earlier with the POW days, but we came home to do hay, so I haven't officially showed you the new round baler. So we're gonna go round bale some hay. Nathan and I raked with the 1850. That was kind of nice. Actually, it was really nice sitting on the fuel fenders and everything. But anyway, so we raked a couple fields up, and then he's gonna show you his new round baler real quick, and then we're gonna go bale some hay. So I'll show you.
All right, we got a BR 750 New Holland. It's an extra wide sweep. Does net wrap and twine. I have the twine boxes off from it, so we're just doing strictly net wrap. It does up to a 4x6 bale. We're going to be making 4x5s. It's a really nice baler. I really like it. I can do haylage with it too. So it does a good job, and you'll get to see what it's going to make.
You just get everything set up. This is the field right next to our farm. That's our farm over there. And that hay we're going to square bale over there. This is we're rounding.
So it makes a nice square bale. We're at 44 inches right now. It's not going to take too much longer. It'll be at 60 inches. This part of the field's a little bit rougher right through here.
Ready to wrap now.
Just about there. Should be wrapping. Yep, there it goes. I can lift it up and down. I don't have to get over to it manually, so it makes a pretty nice one from field to field too.
The biggest reason we got a round baler is because there's a couple of people around here that do custom baling, but it's hard. Everyone's doing hay at the same time, and so to get in line and wait is hard when you know that rain's coming, and so we decided we needed a round baler.
And as you can see, there's we just picked out that bale. And
yeah, there's one of them right there. It's a nice bale. They stack nicely in the row. We're pretty happy with that. wasn't super thick, obviously, but that's okay. It was second cutting and it's nice hay, so that's all that matters. How many bales do you have so far? 10 so far. So it's not a super amount, but that's okay. They're nice. And these bales will all get fed to our cows. It does make nice bales. After this, we're going to Caden's down raking the other field I cut on Wednesday right now. Or Thursday. No, it was Thursday I cut. So he's down there right now raking that. And then we're going to head down there and bale that one next. We were just leaving the field that they just went in, and my niece and nephew are coming down the road, so they're riding with them to the other field. We're going to follow in the golf cart. We're following Nate down the field. Here comes Caden. He's just chilling like a villain there with his feet up on his 1850. The field, he just raked it for us. Look at him. Still has those socks on, no boots. You don't want to get it dirty. But there he is. He just got done raking. He's chilling.
Nice one, Gary. Brad. Nice one, Brad.
I shook my head, yes, but I don't think you see me. We're on the last row here in that field. My niece and nephew got to ride with Nate for quite a while, so that was nice. They were super excited. I just watched, but this is last row. He upped the size of the bale because it was getting so close, and he didn't want to have a small bale just for that. But they baled nice. Hay. There's a little bit of buckhorn in it, but cattle don't care.
We made it.
So you ended at what, 62? That's not much bigger than what you normally do at 64, I guess.
Alright, I'm gonna do an auto wrap.
So we ended it with like 22 bales out of both fields, which is not a ton, but a second cutting, that's fine. That last one's just a little bit bigger, not too much.
Not much of a difference.
So anyways, hay is hay, we're good. So thank you for watching.